Okay, so the way I've been planting, prepare the hole and just get the earth loose a bit. Then next I'll get some of my compost, mix it into the earth, and then I'll bed the seedlings into this beautiful mix. So I'm adding a good shovel of compost to the mix. So we are going to go like this. I won't press the earth too much because I learned that the roots don't like pressure. Now I'm just going to give it a good watering. I definitely need to mark and protect the plant a bit. So let's take a look at the result. On this field I've planted the mango seedlings, and here we have the poly, that's a twin. This is a single root, the one with the many plants. Over here we have another twin, here also a twin, and over here this is a single one. Let's see what it's going to be, the single one, and another single one.